Good morning everyone, welcome back to a new video. So we are back on the project of the garden house, and today we're going to be pouring concrete. So we are just setting our pegs for where we want our concrete height to be and to help us to level the concrete as well. So what we do is we set these pegs in the ground, timber pegs. You can use bits of steel as well. And this is just an old school way really, and we measure from one peg to the next, and then we just make sure that we get them level and go all the way around and then back to the first peg that we started. And if all goes well, it should be level when we get to the last one. So we're just doing these pegs now while we're waiting for our concrete to arrive, which should be here very soon. And once that's here, we can get the concrete poured. So we've got a company bringing the concrete in for us, and they're also going to be using a small dumper to dump the concrete as well for us. So it makes it a lot easier. So we will see you in a bit.
Got some behind you. Boom. Yeah.
Yes. So that's all our pegs in, just waiting for the concrete to come and we can get this pour done. And here is our concrete man, one of the best concrete guys you will find, and very, very helpful guy. Made our life very, very easy with this. So basically he mixes the concrete on a truck down the other end of the alleyway. The truck was too big to get down the alleyway, obviously it's massive. So he mixes it on the truck and then pours it into this dumper and then drives it down the alleyway and dumps it for us. So he was an amazing guy, and helped us to get the concrete done real quickly. Our footings are done. Just got to let this set. Let it set for a couple of days, and then we can start building up to DPC. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like if you did. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and we see you guys on the next one. Take care.